For the marinade, combine a bunch of the specified greens along with 3 cloves of garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, 3 tablespoons of full-fat yogurt or mayonnaise, salt, and pepper in a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour the green marinade over the chicken pieces and mix thoroughly. Allow the chicken to marinate in the refrigerator for 2 hours to develop flavor. After marinating, thread the chicken pieces onto skewers and grill or fry until cooked through. I personally grilled both sides on a grill pan over medium heat until they were nicely browned. Serve the chicken kebabs with bread or rice, and accompany them with grilled tomatoes and bell peppers. Enjoy your delicious green chicken kebabs.